Aloha! Welcome to the Sam and Tom Happy Hour. I'm Tom from Finance of America Mortgage, and he is
Sam Chinarian from First Team.
Now, if you're wondering why he's wearing this silly shirt and hat, it's because he's supposed to be on the beach in Maui right now enjoying a cold one instead of here with us. But with the market we're in today, we need to be here looking out for you. So, Sammy, take it away.
Well, the market's really hot right now.
As a matter of fact, it's absolutely nuts. Why is that? Well, you all know we're really caught in a tremendous situation of lack of supply and massive demand. Prices are not coming down anywhere in the near future. So in today's market, Sam, how many people write offers on every listing that you're looking
to tell
at?
you the truth, we're getting like 10, 12, 15, 20 offers on every listing out there.
So if you're working with Sam and I, how do we make sure that your offer is the one that has the best chance of being accepted by those highly competitive sellers?
Well, one thing we do is we package the entire contract before we even submit it. So we make sure that the buyer's been pre-qualified, but not just pre-qualified, we make sure we get
A pre-approval.
Pre-approval, which is much more important. And then when we submit the offer, we show proof of funds, we write the RPA, we make sure that Tom calls the listing agent and talks to them, tell them about a little bit about our offer, so that way we have an in. We're not just submitting an offer cold turkey.
You know something? It won't work every time, but that kind of a coordinated, very thoughtful and detailed approach is your absolute best chance to be successful in today's highly competitive market. So call us and we'll show you how we work.
See you soon.
Aloha.
Mahalo.